We learned about the different selection tools like the magic wand tool. Now we will learn about a more powerful function of Photoshop, the mask function. You can select a single leaf or tree from a picture of a blue sky background and change its color without changing everything else. This is pretty much the definition of mask. It isolates an area that you want to protect and allows you to make changes to the rest of the image. For different isolation needs, there are different types of masks: layer masks, mask channels, transparency masks, clipping paths, and quick mask. To change the background color in this picture, I need to mask the trees. The easiest way is to use the magic wand to select the background. By selecting the background of the trees are masked. Masking with the magic wand is a simple way of doing it, but you won't always achieve a good result. The edges often aren't very smooth. There is another way to edit the mask by using quick mask. Let's apply a quick mask to the leaf. At first, we select the part of the image we want to change. We can use the magic wand tool. It's okay if our selection isn't perfect. Click the Quick Mask button at the top of the toolbox. The color around the circle indicates masked areas. The color on the circle indicates selected areas. As you can see, the area not selected overlays with a color. We can correct that by selecting a paintbrush tool and a color. When we entered Quick Mask mode, the foreground and background colors changed to black and white. Note that painting with black adds to the mask. Painting with white, or erasing, takes it away. So we choose white and clean the leaf. Try to clean it as accurately as you can. When it is good enough, we can click the Standard Mode button in the toolbox to return to the original image. Now we can change the selected area without changing the masked area. When done making changes, type Command D or Control D to deselect the area and get rid of the mask. Let's work with your layer masks. Layer masks allow you to hide and reveal parts of layers. Further, you can add special effects such as filters. After you create a mask, you can edit it simply by making the mask layer the active layer. A layer mask is an 8-bit grayscale channel. It works with white and black levels. You can use a mask to hide the area that you have selected, so that you can work on the rest of the image. Further, you can access a layer mask from both the Layers and the Channels palette. Let's create a layer mask. After you open an image, like this photograph, the Layers palette should be open. If not, click on Layer on the palette window. Open a layer beside the background layer and select it. To make a mask that hides or reveals a selected area, first make the selection on the active window. To create a white mask in which all the layer pixels are visible, choose Layer menu, Add Layer Mask, Reveal All. To hide the entire layer, choose Layer, Add Layer Mask, Hide All. Open a picture and practice applying masks. You need to improve your skills when you do a quick color change while changing the background. Let's give this picture a title. Can you do that? And now, I want to get rid of it. There are two ways for you to get rid of the layer mask. You can delete a layer by selecting Layer, Remove Layer Mask, or simply by dragging the layer mask icon found in the Layers palette onto the small trash can icon at the bottom of the window. Check the Channel option window. If you add a mask to a layer and select Window, Show Channels, you will see something like this. A file can contain up to 24 channels. An RGB document starts with 4 channels, one for each color, and the composite that merges them. Also, you have the option to create alpha channels. A non-color channel is called an alpha channel. At the top of this file, you see the RGB or composite color channel followed by the color channel. Finally, the masks or alpha channels show up at the bottom of the list. The mask that you add to an image creates a new channel in your image. Channels are Photoshop's way of storing color and mask information.